Toyota's 2026 GR GT3 is the racing half of a supercar. And it is Toyota's first true works GT3 car, built to hunt the world's best endurance racers. Behind that front intake breathes a 4-liter twin-turbo V8, the same hot-vee engine that powers the road-going GR GT. So it finally replaces the old Lexus RC F, carrying Toyota's own GR badge into battle. Almost every panel here is carbon fiber, over an all-aluminium space frame that saves real weight. Nothing here is for show. Every vent and wing keeps it stable for hours at racing speed. If a Toyota that races at Le Mans excites you, subscribe now, because this V8 sits low and far back for near-perfect balance. It drives the rear wheels only as endurance racing demands, with every kilo placed to put that power down. The Roadcar makes 650 PS, but in GT3 trim, racing's balance of performance rules cap the power. So it wins on driver skill and reliability, not raw muscle, in races lasting 24 hours. Which puts it directly against the new Ford Mustang GT3 and the Porsche 911 GT3R. This is Gazoo Racing's boldest statement yet. Look closer and the racing details appear, like the bright rear rain light. Those bonnet vents pull heat off the engine, keeping it cool lap after lap. Everything a race team touches is built for speed, from refueling to a full fire system. The bare carbon cockpit looks more like a spaceship than a road car. That detachable wheel is covered in switches and dials, letting the driver tune the car at speed. A central digital dash reads out every number that matters. Beside it, a bank of controls handles the lights, the pit radio, and everything a solo driver manages. Racing at last, and it earns a 9.4. The GR GT Roadcar comes next.